Okay children, see now. So we'll discuss exercise 2.3 first bit. So what is our first bit? Add and subtract the following numbers. So here directly they gave you the numbers in the order. So first we should do addition, then we should do subtraction. So here I am teaching you A and D bits. So C, B and C will be your homework. So C, 0 plus 0, 0 only. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 0, 0. 3 plus 4. 3 is the 9, 4 on your fingers. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So write here 7. Now 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 0, 0. 7 minus 5. 7 minus 5. How much remaining? 2. So what is our answer? 2000. So next bit you can do it. Children, always remember, you know how to do addition with carry, subtraction with borrowing. So if needed, you can carry and borrow. Okay? So here, C limit 6 minus 2. So 6 minus 2. How much? 4. So write 4. Now, here 4 minus 1. Open 4 fingers, close 1. How much remaining? 3. Next. So here we should add. So first we are adding. So what is the question here? 53,246 plus 24,512. So first addition means 6 plus 2. 6 in the mind, 2 on your fingers. After 6, 7, 8. So write 8. So 4 plus 1, we know 5 because for any number, if we add 1, we get the successor of the number. So for 4, the successor is 5. So next 2 plus 5. So 2 in the mind, 5 on your fingers. After 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So write 7. 3 in the mind, 4 on your fingers. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Next. 5 in the mind, 2 on your fingers. After 5, 6, 7. So write here 7. So children, here they didn't give the place value chart. But we know which number, which digit is in which place, and we know that we should always start the addition or subtraction, anything, from one's place, from right side first number, right? So here, if they don't give also, we should not get confused. We should start always from the right side first number, that is one's place. Okay? Now 8 minus 6. So open 8 plus 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How much remaining? 2. So write 2. 5 minus 3. How much? 2. Write 2. 7 minus 4. So 7 fingers, close 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So how much is remaining? 3. So write here 3. 7 minus 2. Close 7 fingers. Next, close 2 fingers. 1, 2. How much remaining? 5. 7 minus 6. Open 7. Close 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So only 1 is remaining. So what is our answer? 15,322. Now, so same method you can follow and do the remaining bits as your homework. Now see here children, solve the following. So already here we discussed the examples with the 2 steps. What is our 2 steps method? First addition, then subtraction. Here also we did like that only, no? But only thing is that here we didn't write the place value chart and we didn't mention the steps. So one after the other we did it directly. So here, see. If you do like this also, it is correct only. If you follow the step method also, it is correct only. So you can do any one of the 2 methods. So see children, first A question, 25,000, 2,500 plus 3,500 minus 4,000. So how do you do this? So first, step 1. So what is our step 1? 2,500 plus 3,500. So add. So write them. Thousands, hundreds, tens, ones. So 2,500 plus 3,500. Ones place you do addition. 0 plus 0, 0 only. 0 plus 0, 0. Next 5 plus 5. 5 in your mind, 5 on your fingers. After 5, 6, tens, ones. So 4621 plus 3179. First do addition. 9 plus 1. So so we know that when we are adding 1 to a number according to the addition properties, we get the successor of a number. So 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 means 0 here. 1 will be carried in tens place. Now 2 in the mind, 7 on your fingers. After 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now 9 plus 1, 10. So 0 here, 1 will be carried here. Now 6 plus 1, 7, 7 plus 1, 8. 4 in the mind, 3 on your fingers. After 4, 5, 6, 7. So what is our answer? 7,800. So what is our step 2? We should subtract 4,088. So write here. Step 2. So 7,800 minus 4,088. So write them in the places. 7,800 minus 4,088. So first one's place. 0 minus 8. Is it possible? No. What we should do? Borrow one number. So here also 0. Tens place also 0. So we cannot borrow. What we should do? Go for hundreds place. So here borrow one number. So this will become 7. So children, from hundreds to directly ones we can't borrow. So from here we can borrow and write here. So this will become 10. So now here 10 is there. So borrow one number. So this will become 9 and this will become 10. So directly from hundreds to ones we cannot borrow. So from hundreds to tens we can borrow. So here we get number now. From that we can borrow to ones. So 10 minus 8. 10 minus 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 2. So right here 2. 9 minus 8. 9 close 8. 1. So write 1. Next 7 minus 0. 7 only. 7 minus 4. 7 minus 4. So 3. So what is our answer? 3,712. Next. See here 5 digit numbers we are having. 5 digit means up to 10,000 place. So write. First we should add. So what are the numbers? 38,167 plus 20,385 minus 40,772. So first, step 1. Add 38,167 plus 20,385. So write them. 10,000, 1,000, hundreds, tens, ones. So 38,167 plus 20,385. Now 7 plus 5. 7 in the mind, 5 on your fingers. After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 means, so 2 here, 1 will be carried to tens place. Now 6 in the mind, 8 on your fingers. After 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 plus 1, 15. 15 means 5 will be written here, 1 will be carried. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. Now 8 plus 0, 8 only. 3 plus 2, 5. So we got 58,552. Now what is our step 2 here? From the answer, we should subtract the third number. So what is our answer? 58,552. So what number we should subtract here? 40,772. So write it in the places. So 10,000, 1,000, hundreds, tens, ones. So 58,552 minus 40,772. So 2 minus 2, 0. 5 minus 7 possible? No. So borrow one number from hundreds place. So it will become 4, it will become 15. So 7 after numbers up to 15. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So write here 8. Now 4 minus 7 possible? No. So So borrow one number from the outside places will